how to create GOAT account. So if you want to create a GOAT account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for GOAT. And once you're here, you will have www.goat.com. Click on the first search and it will take you to the website. So you can simply go for the account, which is on the upper right, and go for create account, which is on the second option, and it will take you to create account option. From here you can enter your first and last name and then your email address on the next, and you can create your password on the third blank. Make sure to enter a strong password. Once you've entered, click on this box so that you will receive some emails and exclusive promos of popular releases and more, and then click on create account, and that's it. You have created your account. Here on the upper right you will have your account. Click on that and then you can simply go to your profile and you can shop something. So that's how you can create your GOAT account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.